Hi everyone, this is Priya Sharma. Welcome to our channel Make an App Like. Guys, I really wish you guys are liking our video, and if you want to share your views or thoughts, please put it in the comment section given below. Also, please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Guys, I request my audience to go through the videos we have uploaded earlier so that you can understand many things which we'll be covering in this video. Let's start. So guys, in many of our videos, we have seen the comments that people are requesting to put a video on how to purchase land in Metaverse. So today we'll cover how to buy property in Upland, how to earn UPX in Upland, and trade property. First of all, let's understand what is Upland. Upland is a property trading game. So it enables players to buy their own property in the virtual world. So if you have heard about Upland, then you definitely know how to buy a property in Upland. And in case not, then don't worry, we are totally here to assist you in buying your first property. Also, Upland not only restricted to buying property, it gives users to earn money while playing. So imagine you can actually earn money while playing, having fun, having adventure, etc. Interesting fact. Upland not only restricts its users to buy a property, but it actually helps them to sell it off. For instance, you can actually build your home, villa, whatever apartment on it and then sell it to the buyer. Upland sets 17% commission on the base price. Now, if you look at it, you will see many cities in the United States are selling apartments for sale. Now, how to buy a property in Upland? All you need is UPX, that is the official currency of Upland, to buy a property. Now, if you wish to buy a minted property that is owned by someone else, that would be easier. Now, let's go to the step-by-step guide on how to buy a property in Upland. The parcels in the Upland are color-coded. Number 1, bright green. These are those parcels that have not been minted or can be minted or bought by anyone. That is, they are easily available for sale. Dark green. Dark green parcels are the minted properties that can be purchased through UPX or USD. Their prices are set by the owners. Blue parcels. Blue parcels are the lands that have been minted by the other players. So these lands are not available on the secondary markets, but bids can be made easily on them. And it's in the hands of the owner whether to accept it or reject it. Grey parcels. Grey parcels are the lands which are unminted, locked, and are not owned by anyone. Dark blue. Dark blue are the lands which are owned by you. We have provided a detailed step-by-step guide to buy a minted or unminted property in Upland. The link of the article is given in the description box. Please go and learn more about the whole topic. How to sell a property in Upland? Number 1. List property for sale. Now, you need to list your property on the marketplaces in order to get the maximum investors audience. And then you can think of whether to sell it in USD or UPX. Second, create an account. Now, you need to create an account if you are selling it for the very first time. Also, you need to have a USD account for the transactions. What is service fees? In USD transactions, there's 10% market transaction fees that is similar to UPS operations. The last one is to manage the balance. Now you can do it by easily going through the profile and check the balance status and whatever you want to do in order to manage the your USD balance. Property trading in Upland is the backbone of Upland. Now you can easily observe the things by using Google Street View. Well, I'll recommend you guys, if you're doing it for the very first time, to start it from the Brooklyn, which is quite a less expensive area than the other areas. Also, what you can try is you try to buy a cheap property first and then try to sell it off at a higher rate. Once you'll master it, you'll be able to easily trade in Upland. How to earn UPX? Now, each property in Upland generates UPX passively at a rate of 17.3% of the base mint price. Now, this rate can also be boosted by placing your properties in the collections. Players can also earn money by trading their properties and NFT on the open marketplaces once they achieve the Uplander status. Well, there are many other ways also by which you can earn UPX. For example, yield on property, visits to the property, daily bonus or referrals, etc. Well, UPX can be bought by flat money, through some cryptos, or through the sale of the real estate. Well, you'll be able to receive interest on each property after every 3 hours in Upland. This was all about what is Upland, how to earn UPX, how to trade in Upland. Well, increasing the metaverse will definitely cause the Upland to rise. If you are thinking to buy a property in Upland, then I'll encourage you to first gather the information and then make a wise decision. We have covered each and everything, each and every step, in fact, in the blog. The blog description, again, it's in the description box. We have provided the link. You can go through it, gather the information, and then think of buying a land over there. Guys, that's all for today. And if you guys are liking our video or you have any thoughts or questions about the same topic, then you can put it in the comment section below. We'll definitely try to answer it up. And maybe you can also share which topic you want to discuss. We'll come with the video of that topic too. Well, that's all for today, and please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, and so that you don't miss a notification whenever a new video comes in. We'll come up again with a new video. Till then, namaste.